Check out the HP Pavilion X360. Two-in-one Windows tablets and laptops appeared when Windows 8 appeared, with its touch-centric interface. The Acer Aspire Switch 10, Lenovo's IdeaPad Yoga 2 11 and Dell XPS 11 have all been twisty laptops. Lastly, let's take a look at HP's Pavilion X360. In addition to the red color of our review unit, it also comes in silver, with silver around the keyboard and a black display bezel that's utterly adorable. It folds around so that it's flat against the back of the machine, about 360 degrees, hence the name. HP Pavilion X360 is not the smallest laptop you'll find during Black Friday deals, but still quite small. There's a lot of unused space around 11.6-inch, 1366 by 768 display, but at least there's a keyboard. It's thin, but not incredibly thin at 22 mm, and at 1.4 kilograms, it's roughly 40% heavier than the 11-inch MacBook Air. It features two USB 2.0 ports, HDMI out, Ethernet, an SD card slot, and a microphone/headphone 3.5 mm jack. In tablet mode, there is a volume rocker on the edge. CPU, Intel Celeron N2820 processor. It can increase to 2.39 GHz for some intensive applications, but we don't expect much increase in performance. It may be dual-core and have a decent clock speed, but don't expect much performance. Using Intel's Silvermont architecture, it is more like the iPad Air or Samsung Galaxy Tab Pro 10.1 than even the budget-priced HP Pavilion TouchSmart 15 and 07 OSA. It is also powered by Intel, with integrated HD graphics, but again, it is nowhere near the powerful Iris technology in the 13-inch Retina MacBook Pro. DirectX 11 is supported, but this is more like a tablet than a gaming laptop. Given that you won't be able to really do anything intensive on the Pavilion X360's processor, the 4 GB of RAM should be more than enough for most users. 500 GB hard drive spins at 5,400 revolutions per minute, so it could be a performance bottleneck overall. Despite the price, it's a decent size, and we wouldn't expect anything faster. This is a multi-touch display for tablets and some touch-based games. In fact, it's the same resolution as the much more expensive 11-inch MacBook Air, as well as many budget and mid-range 15-inch laptops, including the relatively modest Toshiba Satellite M50. It has an Ethernet port, though it's only 10/100ths, not gigabit, and Wi-Fi B/G/N. Bluetooth 4 is supported, so it would work with wearables. You have one USB 3.0 port, as well as two USB 2.0 ports. There is a 3.5 mm port for headphones as well as an HDMI port for video output.